I've had some questions about how I get this bike out of the back of this F-250 because it's a little taller than some people's trucks. I start with a 1x on the bumper, and I've got the bifolding ramp from Harbor Freight. Strap it. That screw is stuck out on purpose. Of course, when I'm trying to record, the chain's going to get stuck. The ramp sits on the 1x. I put my security chains over here so the ramp can't slide backwards. Our buddy Gus lost his gas cap at the gas station somewhere, so we've got both bikes and we've got Jared's car here. So they're going to look for a gas cap. Hopefully they find it, because it's going to suck for him to come all this way to not have a gas cap. I've already unstrapped the first two straps of the bike. It's going to unstrap this one. Come on. This strap has been in the weather too long. It's starting to get sticky. All two-stroke over barking. Conversation from the video the other day about leaving the bikes in gear. This is why. With the bike in gear, all I got to do is hold the clutch, get it lined up, and use the clutch and the engine as the brake. And then simply walk it down the ramp. And just like that, we are successfully unloaded with no dramatics. And that's how I get a DR350 off the back of an F250. Alright, loading the DR350 in the back of the F250. Alright, got the DR350 on the back of the truck. Now we're going to strap her down. Yes, I'm well aware I need a fork saver. I do not currently own a fork saver. These bitches are stiff. These are super cheap straps, and they're showing their age in the weather. Cool, I like it. And then we simply put the ramp up. Then we take this one, pinch it right there. So we don't have to rethread it for no reason. Straighten it up. It's nice and tight. Grab the 2x4 or the 1x1, and we're strapped up ready to go. The reason for the wood board is it spans the gap on the bumper, so the ramp doesn't suck inwards.